If you've been looking at studying on a fully funded scholarship in 2026, this video is for you. Yeah, the scholarship is called Turkiye Burslari and it's opening on the 15th of January. Yeah, which means you have about 14 days to go. And the good part of this scholarship is that it covers your tuition, accommodation, health insurance, and it also covers monthly stipends. For bachelors, you get 4,500 Turkish lira. For master students, you get 6,500 Turkish lira. For PhD students, they get 9,000 Turkish lira. And yeah, they also provide travel allowances for round airfare trip. Yeah, it's gonna cover your flying down to Turkey and returning home to your country. And the level of study, all levels of educations are allowed. This is the website, sorry, and you can see a deadline. The date 10th January to 20th February. Sorry, not 15th. I made a mistake. Now, how can you apply for this scholarship? Once you visit the website, which is this official website, the link is in the comment section. Just click on how to apply. Just scroll down and click on how to apply. It's a step-by-step process. It's very easy. No pressure, no pressure. So here you'd see the deadline, like what to do, what to follow. First, you create your account, upload all documents, select your university, write an original letter of intent. Yeah, then after that you submit. They are going to review your application, and the next step will be um, an interview. After the interview, they're gonna be doing some other process before the final shortlisting. The required documents here, you can see all the documents required. We won't be going through them because we don't have much time. And after that, you submit. That's simple. Now this is where you apply. You just click on application stroke login. Remember, you click on how to apply, you scroll down, then you click on application stroke login. Then here you register. You don't log in because you don't have an account. These are some accounts I had back then. So you just click on register. That's how to apply. Once you click on register, you would fill your name, your middle name, surname, gender, and after that you click on I approve and save, and you can log in and continue your application. Guys, it's advisable to register using a PC. Yeah, the website is not it's not 100% responsive on mobile devices, so it's advisable to use your PC to get the full view of everything, and it kind of maybe increases your chances, but I don't think so. But to be in a safer side, so you don't miss out any part, view on a PC, so you fill out everything, because the mobile view might hide some information you get. So guys, that is how it is. Now if you've started applying, just comment I am applying, or if you have intentions of applying, you type I will apply. Yeah, and I wish you all the best, guys. Now make sure you follow me, because in my next video I'm going to be showing you guys some things to do in order to stand out from others. All right, all the best. Ciao.